Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live up to 10 hours a day, every trading day, and we're coming up to 2 years we've been here, just a month to go, and it will be 2 years that we started this journey. I'm following you, you're following me. This is the most honest, real channel on YouTube. We aim to be the most honest, real, reliable source for your news, information, family, community, unbiased reality. This is all my money. If it goes to zero, I lose all my money. If I get rich, I get rich right in front of you. We all do it together. I'm not selling you anything unless you want to buy one of my mugs, of course, one of my beer mugs, whatever you like. But other than that, I'm not selling you anything. All right. Let's get ready to rock and roll. It's another busy day today. Of course, Apple earnings last night was fantastic. We had a little bounce this morning. We've seen the figures just drop off a little bit. Let's see how it all pans out today. All right, let's get straight into our trades and see where we are. First of all, you want to get an update of our numbers. So let's have a quick look at our numbers. This is my brokerage position. This is my Roth IRA, looking good, and 53,000. Now 54.4 was our all-time high. So we're 1,300 bucks off that, but that's okay. We did lose a lot through Enphase Energy and Tesla, and of course we lost $1,000 with Virgin Orbit as well. So we're making it back. We're going to make it back. I'm not worried at all. It's business as usual here on the show. All right, let's see who was the first to comment this morning. Of course, we got some important figures out this morning. Mike, hi Carson. Good morning, Mike says. Good morning, Carson says Mike. Hi Jason. Bonner, all the way from Korea. Welcome to our friends from Korea. USA is still strong, and Martin is God. Bonner, hi Bonner. Hi Martin, how you doing? Great to have you here. Bonner became a member yesterday. We had 2 new members, one from Turkey and one from Korea. So we have members now all over the world. We have the highest engagement rate of any channel on YouTube. 95% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel on YouTube. We're very, very excited about that. Welcome to everyone on TikTok this morning, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and our other home now is, of course, Rumble. We're very, very happy to be there, doing very, very well, growing very, very quickly. So I want to welcome everybody who's joining us on Rumble right now as well. Absolutely great. Let me just bring everything up to date. We're just a few seconds behind there. That looks good. All right, brilliant. Is anybody watching me there this morning? We are just about to hit, we're at 44 followers, and we're hoping today to break, be absolutely great if we could get as high as 50 followers today on Rumble. Be absolutely brilliant. All right. Now, it's just running a few seconds behind there. How do I bring it up to date? Is that up to date now? I think that's up to date. Hang on a minute. We seem to have a problem there. We seem to have a problem on my channel. Are we live? What's going on there? Oh, there we go. There we go. Took a few moments to come in, but it's working now. Right, let's bring these figures in and have a quick look. Traders, Fed rate cut. Expectations are for stronger than expected jobs data. Okay, full non-farm payroll report. I shall go over to it right now, 22. Thanks for reminding me. Good afternoon from Turkey. Welcome, Toprak, our new member from Turkey. Wishing you all good Santa and boost in profit. Thank you very much indeed. Nasir Listen. Jason Fallon, I'm not sure what that is. I'm not sure what that comment there is. Anyway, let's go back to our stocks, see what's moving right now. So the S&P is up 0.69. Virgin Galactic is up 2%. What's going on there? Still down 12% overall. Virgin Orbit, I need to update this ticker. It's to VORBQ. Excuse me. Down today at 3.4%. It's being delisted, as you know. It's Turkish, I hope. It's Turkish for I hope. Thank you very much indeed. I didn't realize that. Okay. Let me just, in that case then, Let me open up this one moment. Here we go. I will do that. There. All right. So we'll change that to English, that to Turkish, and it's Turkish, I hope. Means Nasilian means how are you in Turkey. All right, I will do the same thing. Okay, let's try it. How are you today, all my friends in Turkey and around the world? You're right, it's dropped it in and it sounds like this.
Bugün nasılsınız Türkiye'deki ve dünyadaki tüm arkadaşlarım?
There you go. If you're going to say it in Turkish, you say it in Turkish, all right? Well, that's what I'm talking about. All right. Okay, I just thought I had a glitch then, but I didn't. Everything looks fine. I'm just checking a couple of streams for you right now. We're all good there. Let's see what's being looked at. Last night, the viral video last night, everyone was searching for... I knew we had a glitch. And there it is. Let me change that. I knew there was something strange this morning. There we go. That should be over there. So if I unlock that, I can relock that. There we go. And I can lock that up again. Hopefully, that'll fix it. Now, last night, look at this. We've never had a video grow this quickly. In 1 hour, we did over 1,000 views. It's 1,700. It's tailed off now. Mullen yesterday was trending all over financial social media, and we picked it up. It was very, very exciting. 7,368 subscribers. We had a really good day yesterday. Absolutely fantastic. Now, if you've just tuned in on YouTube, do smash the like button. It really, really helps the channel, as it does on Rumble as well. If you simply subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up, it really, really helps. Because all it does is it shares it out to more people. We really do appreciate it. All right. Okay. Now, on some days, we give a cash prize away when we get 100 likes. Ali Tizro sometimes likes to sponsor that. We have a bit of fun with that one. All right. Okay. Let's carry on. Welcome everybody on LSC as well today. Live Shimmer Cafe, my own platform. Bill. Hello, Bill. Bill is on. Bill is on. Look at this. Bill is on Rumble today. He's in the chat. He said, look, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. There he is. There he is. Bill, look, he's joined me. I've got 44 followers now on Rumble. Fantastic. Now then. Now, some of you say it's a lot to all these different platforms. It is. We are going through an age of confusion. There is a lot of choice. However, for me, as a full-time streamer, this is how I make my living. It makes sense for me to be able to be everywhere. So, when the dust settles, because one day it will, then at least I am best placed. Because if you are only on one platform and you don't gain... whether it's emails or contacts on Twitter. Twitter is very important. You can announce to the world where you're going. If you're only on one place and you don't collect people, a way to communicate with people, should that system go down, you will literally go back to zero, and it's very, very hard to come back again. Anyway, Mr. Lucas, Tilray, I never got your link. I couldn't make a video on Tilray. I couldn't find the information that you were sharing. I only wished you'd shared it. There's lots of ways to share it on Discord, on Twitter, on Rumble. I was waiting for the link. I never got it. But there you go. All I can do is report on the information that I can verify. Anyway, Tesla, Lucid, up. Apple, what a great night last night, 2.7. The overall portfolio is rallying now. We're at 53,161. I don't know. We could make an all-time high today. McDonald's is very expensive. Coca-Cola is up. I've got a good position there on my main position and my Roth IRA. If you look at it there, it's 16% of my portfolio in my Roth. That's how bullish I am on that. J&J doing well as well. It's up. I'm down 2.4%. on my overall position, but in my Roth, I'm up 1.31. Good morning, hey Bill. Bill has now joined us here on YouTube. Thank you ever so much indeed. Keeping 2 tabs open, Bill, that really helps. Hassan L, how are you? Good morning, Ed Nevius. 1 week to the day for our biggest ever giveaway. We're very, very excited about our biggest ever giveaway. The Google is up today, 0.4. Microsoft up 0.26. Walmart up 0.35. Tesco up 0.72. Next Era Energy is flat. Great dividends though. Enphase slowly recouping, down 30%. Enphase is a good buy for me right now if I wanted to sell something off the top, but I don't. Bitcoin today is down 0.9. Not a lot of action there with Bitcoin. Tilray, 4.37. I'm still out of the money on my main account. Let's check it on the Roth IRA. Up 2.88 now. I am now in profit. Tilray chart. There it is on the screen. Tilray. We're looking at it right now. Fantastic. Let me give you some advanced information. That doesn't really show too well. So not really worth showing you that from this screen. I'll need to show it on another screen. But there we go. Tilray is up on my Roth IRA now. I am in the money, up 2.88%. So if I wanted to now on Tilray, I could sell. We've had a good rally the last few days. There it is. Buy the rumor, sell the news. We've had a rise of 10.46. I'm up 3% now over the week. In fact, 3% today, looking good. So the question is, am I now going to trim some off the top from Tilray? Not from my long position, but from my Roth IRA. Let's have a little look at it. We know where it's been. We know it's starting to rally a little bit. It's got some resistance here at 274. Let's see if it can break through 274. If it can break through 274, our next resistance was probably $3, somewhere around there. So we're up 4.76. So it's got another 10 cents to go before it hits its first hurdle, if you like. I'm up 2.88. It could be a time to take the profit, bring some money back into my Roth IRA. I've got a good position on my brokerage account anyway, which I'm down 6% at the moment. But I wouldn't mind taking some profits from Tilray today if we can get it up there. Let's have a little look. Could we have a quick glance at pre-market, the pre-market table? What is the pre-market table? I don't know what a pre-market table is. Top Rat, could you explain what you mean? Crazy to think Tilray has hit 148 once upon a time. It is indeed, but a profit is a profit. If I make a profit, that's all I'm here to do. I'm not here to join a fan club or any of that stuff. Just want to make a profit. Let's carry on. Robinhood is up 0.35 today. SoFi is up 2.15. I've only got one share on my brokerage account, but in my Roth IRA, I sold it. Yep, sold it out. IonQ, I've started to buy back in. I have 40 shares now, down 2.4, but it's starting to rise. That's good. Gove, Canoe, I'm out of the stock at the moment. Ford is up 1.21. Rio Tinto, 1.55. Meta up 0.76. And there we go. If you want to follow me on my music channel, we're trying to get to 4,000 watch hours. We are having a music concert tonight. It's Friday, which means concert night, music night. Tonight is Friday night. Live on my channel tonight, we are holding a music concert. It'll be posted here shortly. So if you follow me there, subscribe, ring the bell, you'll be notified of that event tonight. All right. Good stuff. Quick sip of tea this morning. I should probably give everybody my link to my 2 channels on Rumble. My music and my... there you go. There is my music. Oh, what happened there? That looks a bit odd. That didn't really look very good, did it? I just posted that. That didn't look very good. I'm going to try that again. For the music, let me try this. That didn't come out very well, did it? For those watching me on Rumble right now, there you go. For the music, I'm the World Piano Man, rumble.com, Martyn Lucas. There's my music channel. I'll be live tonight for today is Cinco de Mayo. It is Cinco de Mayo. And it is. You're absolutely right. Here in Texas, we are interested in that. Me, I know nothing about it. I'm from England. I don't even understand it, but I know it is for many people. It's a celebration of a Mexican war between Mexico and France. Mexico won, obviously. That's why they're celebrating it. Otherwise, what would be the point? Okay. Anyway, we've got 50 minutes to go. Shall we do a poll today? Let's run a poll. Is it a red or green day today? Let's do a poll. So let's go over to Twitter and let's run a poll. Shall we do a poll right now? Good morning, Octavio. Yes. What do you think after Apple earnings? So let's have a look. Let's do it here. After Apple earnings, are we set for a green or red day on the markets? Okay, let's have a little look. So I'm going to ask you now, what do you think? After Apple earnings, are we set for a green or red day on the markets? Let's run a poll and let me see what you think. So, red or green? Oh, let's do it the right way around. Let's have some continuity, quality to this. Red or green? There you go. And I'll drop in my... Oh, Tesla's rising. I'm looking to take a profit at 189. Woohoo! It's 163 right now. You're thinking, why am I getting excited? It's a long way to go. But we shall see. We shall see. Can we get it up? Let me just drop in my usual little Twitter post. Here we go. This is important. Drop this in here. Got my preset little comment there. Drop it in. There you go. There you go. All right. Brilliant. Bring that back up again there. All right. So there you go. Green or red day. I'm going to run it just for a few hours. In fact, we're going to run it for 2 hours. 2 hours. So no days. 1 hour. We'll run it for 2 hours. Shall we do it for 2 hours? There we go. I'll tweet that. Okay. There you go. I'd like your thoughts. What do you reckon? We're having a poll right now, and I'll share with you the link. Here we go. If you want to take part in our Twitter poll, there it is in the chat. I'll give it to you now in the chat if you want to take part in our poll. There you go. I've just posted it for you. And let's see if we get any interest in that. After the earnings, are we in for a green or... Oh, no. Look what I just done. Look what I just done. Green or green. Should I leave it like that? Should I leave it like that? Hang on. Can I edit that? Can I edit the post? You can't edit the post. You can't edit the post. What a flipping clown. What a flipping clown. Right. You can edit posts, but you can't edit polls. Kind of makes sense, right? They don't want you to edit a poll. Right, okay. Delete that. Did that again. Delete, yeah. Delete. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. What sort of quality is that? All right, let's try that again, shall we? Right, there we go. After Apple earnings. Right, flipping heck. Tesla's now pumping 1.46. 1.46, yep. Let's try it again very quickly. Bring in my comment here. Let's run a poll. I can't believe I did that. What a clown. There you go. Now we got it. So let's run the poll, and I did green or red. Okay, let's have some consistency. Green. You watch me. You watch me do it again. You watch me do it again. Right. No days. We'll do it for 1 hour. We'll do it for 2 hours. That's what I originally said. Okay. Are we right this time? Are we right this time? Okay. Let's hope we're right this time. Okay, send the tweet. I don't like this new feature that you have to wait for the tweet to send or send it straight away. I don't like that. Anyway, okay, there we go. Let's give you the link to copy now, because the last one was rubbish. So don't bother with the last one. All right, the last one was rubbish. Take no notice of that. In fact, I'll delete that one. Can I delete that one there? No, I can't delete it. Okay. All right, I've given it to you on Rumble and Twitter again, and YouTube. There we go. Right there. Right, let's get some votes. What a nightmare. Right. Okay, shall we zoom in? Have we got any votes? There we go. Green. We've got a green vote coming in already. 100%. Brilliant stuff. All right, let's go back to the trades. See where we are? Here we go. Right, you should post more Mullen videos. This is what the people like. Grow your channel, Mr. Lucas. Did you see my Mullen video? Yes, it did very, very well yesterday. Yes, absolutely. There'll be some shorts today and a follow-up on Mullen today. Absolutely. Better than when you asked, are we in for a green or red day? And the options were yes or no. Did I do that as well? Bloody hell. Oh my gosh. Thanks for reminding me, 22. Oh, blimey. So, non-farm payrolls. Non-farm payrolls. The unemployment rate. Let's have a little look. Previous was unemployment rate was 3.5. The unemployment rate is now 3.4%. That's not that's good news, but that is bad news for the markets. The Fed want employment to come. They want employment to go up. Unemployment to go up, and unemployment has actually fallen. That's not what the Fed want before they drop rates. Just remember that. Okay, let's go over to it right now. The unemployment rate in the United States edged down to 3.4% in April, matching a 50-year low of 3.4% seen in January and below markets' expectations of 3.6%. The number of unemployed people decreased by 182,000. Remember, though, it's good news. We want everyone working, which is great. But if everyone's working, it means you need to pay more to attract good workers, and that's what pushes inflation up, because that then gets passed on to the consumer in prices. However, the Fed, Jerome Powell, is now saying perhaps we can, it's been the first time in history, because it's against history, perhaps we can bring down inflation without destroying the employment market. So that is yet to be proved, but that would normally be good news. More people working, less people getting benefits, more people paying taxes. It's great for people's mentality. It's great for the economy. But right now, because we want to see inflation coming down, that's not what we want to see. All right. So anyway, let me. In fact, I should report on this today. I should report on it. So 23. So 24 minutes. 24 minutes. Let me put this in. 24 unemployment. Unemployment. Okay. The biggest fear with raising rates is too many people unemployed. Gives them a green light to continue to... I'm going to use that comment there. Let me add that to my favorites. Hold still a minute. Right, what else have I got? It's good news means that they can raise more, keep rates where they are for a while. Let me use that one in the video. I'll see more videos as well, Mohammed, since I invest in both. Well, it did actually help the stock, didn't it? I'm only joking. It gives me more room to raise if they want to. Right. Okay, let's do it now then. So let's go over to the this news here. All right, that'll do. We'll line it up there. That'll do. Right, okay. Here we go. We'll do it from here. We'll do it from here. And we'll do it from here. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor Try that again, shall we? Shall I leave that in? Shall I leave that in as a blooper? I don't know. Try that again. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Unemployment rate today. The unemployment rate in the United States edged down to 3.4% in April 2023. That would normally be great news. Ideally, we want everybody working, everybody paying taxes, everybody earning money, nobody taking unemployment benefit. Everybody wins, right? Great. Normally, that's exactly what we want. Right now, though, we still want people to become unemployed, because if everyone is employed, everyone's got a job, that means the employers have to pay more to attract those workers, which means that gets passed on to the customer, which means the inflation keeps being pushed up. This is what the Fed are trying to do. They're trying to bring down not intentionally trying to bring down employment, but they are trying to bring down inflation. The two are hand in hand. However, the Fed, Jerome Powell, just said a couple of days ago that actually this could be the first time in history perhaps we can bring down inflation without destroying the employment market. What do you think of that? But let's read a little bit more of the news and of the figures. Let's go back into it a little bit more. Matching a 50-year low. Sounds great, right? At the moment, good news is bad news, but soon again, good news will be good news. To an all-time low, a low of 3.4% seen in January and below market expectations of 3.6%. I'm going to ask you very quickly if you could smash the like button, because if you stay to the end of the video, I'm giving away a star prize over $1,000 in value, $125 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training with our scalp trader and chart reader experts. So stick to the end of the video, and I will tell you all about that. It's only a very short video, so there you go. The number of unemployed people decreased by 182,000 to 5.657 million, and unemployment levels rose by 139,000 to 161 million. Meanwhile, the labour force participation rate was unchanged at 62.6%. So there you go. Right now, it's good news for those working, but it's still a difficult market. The Fed, we are hoping, are going to pause in June, and then we want to see them start to pivot. But we don't expect that, at least I don't expect that for a while. In fact, I'm hoping actually they will hold rates up for a while for many reasons. It's the right thing to do. It's the responsible thing to do. It's also beneficial in the long term for the markets. It's also good for savers. If you're like me and you're investing on Robinhood like I am right now, you can see I'm earning 4.65. Let's see from a few of my viewers watching, because we're making this during a live video, some of the comments we had from our investors. 22 says it gives them more room to raise if they want to. Indeed it does. Let me go into this comment. This is also from 22. The biggest fear with raising rates is too many people unemployed. Gives them a green light to continue if employment remains strong. And lastly, our crypto expert, Sensei Crypto, said it's good news, means they can raise more. Keep rates where they are for a while. That's exactly what I was saying. We do need to keep rates up for a while. I don't want to see rates going up any higher, but I think we should hold the rates where they are. We don't want what happened in the past, where The Fed brought the rates down too quickly, and then we ended up, back where we started. So I did say if you watch to the end of the video, which is about now, I would tell you about a fantastic giveaway. Next Friday, which is Friday, May the 12th, we are giving away our best ever giveaway. We're very excited about this one. It's free to enter, free for all, $125 in cash. And we are also giving you 15 hours of one-on-one training with Ed Nevius, who's our trader, investor, chart reader, scalp trader every morning. Very successful. He's paid to learn his skills, and he's going to pass it on to you for free and then give you a cash bonus as well. Can you believe it? It's our best ever giveaway. How do you take part in it? Well, if you look above my head, that will take you to the link, which is martynlucas.com/giveaway. It's free to enter, free for all. All you've got to do is go right here. Also, look below the video and you'll find links to this. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. This is the giveaway. There's a little video tell you all about it. That tells you what the prize is when it ends. And what you've got to do is you can win with one ticket or you can claim thousands. It's entirely up to you. 42 people have taken part, so you've got a very good chance to win. All you got to do is turn these opportunities, tickets, into ticks. If you follow me on Twitter, if you like a video, if you comment on a video, whatever. Remember, you can win with just one ticket. However, if you'd like to get more tickets and give yourself a greater chance to win, also if you'd like to help the channel grow and you want to get involved with the family here, then you can get more tickets and then gives you more chance to win. So there you go. Good luck. That's next Friday. In the meantime, I'm going to get back to my live show. My audience are here with me live. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. There is that video going out later. Back to the main screen. 25 minutes ago, Tesla is rising. Let's have a look. I need to open up Mullen today. Let's see how many people I've got on Rumble today. Welcome all our guests on Rumble. How are you? Fantastic. Welcome, welcome. I've got 44 followers now. Trying to get to 50 followers today. Here is my Rumble account. I actually have two, guys. I have the Martyn Lucas Music Channel and I have the investment channel. There are my two links for you in the chat right there. Right, let's open up Mullen. This is receiving a lot of attention right now. Mullen. It's flat down today. Okay, nothing to talk about there for the minute. But Tilray is interesting. Tilray, let's cover Tilray. I wish I had the link. Can someone, Mr. Luke, I don't believe in experts on charts. Charts to me mean nothing. That's my opinion, and you're very welcome to your opinion. You're very, very welcome to that opinion. I'll post a link to Discord about Tilray. Also, can anyone send me a Tilray link, actually? Or I might be able to find something. I bet that won't age well. They won't even worry about the banks according to Powell. Too many banks anyway. Mr. Lucas, I don't believe in experts. Tilray is rising. More inflation. Okay. Tilray. Oops. Tilray. Okay, here we go. Tilray. What can I find out about Tilray this morning? What's happening with Tilray? I want to see any information. I want that. I don't see anything else newer than that. Okay. That's not any use to me. 1 day, 22 hours. Let's have a little look here. Okay, what have we got here? Is this of any interest? This is, okay. That's where all the news is at. Yeah, but I haven't got the links though, I'm afraid. So I'm going to share this. This is interesting. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell goes, so we've got time. 36. Okay. 36. And TLRY, Tilray. Okay. Let's cover it here. My Roth IRA is doing well. We're doing good. Tilray, it surged yesterday, but it's falling away again now. Let's have a little look. Right. I got it. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, ticker symbol TLRY. Tilray Brands. For me, I have two positions. I've got my long-term position and my short position. This is an interesting stock. It's a cannabis, medicinal cannabis stock. If you stick to the end of this video, and it's only a very short video, I'm giving away a $1,025 prize. You're going to love to hear about it, so stick to the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can win it. Completely free. It's my gift to you. Just by you watching the video. How nice of me is that? But I would like if you could smash the like button. There you go. That I might make that a rule how you can win it. But anyway, let's talk about Tilray. Tilray has popped up this week, 12.13. I've got a position on my Roth IRA and I've got a position long term as well. Let's have a quick look at what's in the news this morning for Tilray. Tilray Brands stocks is higher by 1.88%. This was yesterday. Thursday, as the cannabis stock increases 0.04 cents and outperforms the market. Wall Street is positive on Tilray. On average, analysts give Tilray Brands a buy rating. Well, it used to be over $100 a share, so possibly. Remember, when it gets full legalization, full legislation goes through, I predict the stock is comfortable at $40. That's where I see it going. That doesn't mean to say I buy millions of shares of it. I buy enough to balance my portfolio, but that's where I see it going. On average, analysts give the Tilray Brands a buy rating. The average price target is $3.49, which means analysts expect the stock to add by 43% over the next 12 months. That is without legislation. If we get legislation, I'm looking at $40 a share. The average ranking earns Tilray Brands an analyst rating of 14, which is better than 14% of the stocks based on data compiled by Investor Observer. We have just got a tweet just gone out on Twitter. Let me just zoom in here. This is what's going on. Tilray Brands. We ensure the utmost care and attention to detail at every step of the process. It's worth noting that Tilray Brands, as it says in the title, isn't just about one product. It's a whole brand of products. It has alcoholic beverages and a whole array of products. Tilray Brands is in the business of acquiring smaller cannabis companies, taking over the world. So for me, it's the one to own if you want to be in the sector and you believe that legislation will pass. Most people feel it will. It just takes time to get through the US government. It's already happening in Europe and Germany, and it's coming to the US, I'm sure. So I have a position. What do you think? Now, I did say to you that there would be a opportunity for you to win a a cash prize if you watch to the end of this video? Well, there is. And if you leave the comment to this video is give me the money, then you can win, get some extra tickets to our competition. Now let me show you what our competition is. I'm just writing that down, give me the money, because I'm making this video live and I'll forget the comment that I gave to win. Right, here we go. This is the competition. On Friday, which is May the 12th, we're giving away a $1,025 prize in value, $125 in cash. This is the competition here. It's on martynlucas.com/giveaway. The link is below this video. If you also look above my head, right about there, the link is just there as well, martynlucas.com/giveaway. All you got to do is go to my website. It's a secure server. You haven't got to do anything. Whatever you want to do is entirely up to you. You can enter by winning, by claiming one free ticket just by going to the website. How cool is that? And scrolling down and turning these ticket opportunities into ticks. Whenever you tick something, then it becomes an entry into the draw. You can win with one ticket, or you can get as many as you like. The more you do, and every day we have more tickets, you can come back and revisit. We're going to give away $125 in cash, and this video will also have an opportunity with the comment, give me the money. If you comment below this video once it's made, you can get more tickets for that as well. And there it is. And then you're going to get 15 hours of one-on-one tuition as well from Ed Nevius, who's a trader who's paid to learn his skills. He's going to pass it on to you. So there we go. Tilray Brands. We've seen it pop up today. It's up at the moment 5.95 today as I'm making this video. It's just dropped off a little bit. Where do you see it going? Profit taking is bound to happen. A lot of people have lost money on this stock. So don't expect a straight up journey. But we are potentially coming to the beginning of a bull market. I believe my portfolio bottomed in December. I believe it's about to start a bull market sometime this summer. Some people say next year, but it's not that far away. Remember, the markets are 6 months ahead of the economy. Are we in recession? Of course we are. We've been in recession for a while. We just haven't recognized it yet. So that means we probably reached the bottom. I predicted the bottom was in December. I made videos about it. I stand by it. So I've been buying every opportunity I can across the board. Tilray Brands. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, Tilray Brands. Let me. What was I going to do? I can't even remember what I was going to do. I've lost my place. 15 minutes before the bell goes. Is Sensei Crypto here in the show today? Sensei, yes he is. Sensei Crypto, are you here? Are you here? Important moment about to happen again. Let's have a little look. Where are we? Let's go back to the trading screen. Busy day today. We're getting ready for a big day. Hope everyone's excited. I'm excited. I'm always excited, right? There's always opportunity to make money on the markets, and today is no exception. Crypto and Bitcoin is reaching a pivotal point as well, as is, of course, Virgin Galactic. We're waiting for those flights. When are we going to get those flights? Well, it could happen any day. I still haven't got any verification, so stand by for that. Coming into landing there, looking exciting, right? Okay, Tilray Brands is starting to go up again. Let me check my feeds. Let's have a quick look. Did we get anybody vote on our poll this morning, red or green day? Let me go and have a little look over there on Rumble. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening to all of you. 44 followers now. Thank you ever so much. The crypto bubbles. Pepe, he's doing it again. Pepe is up 78% today. Oh my gosh, this is the day. This is, whoa. Oh my gosh. I got to do that, and we got time. Okay, blimey. Let's have a quick look. Pepe. Where is that? 40. Sensei here. I need to know if you're here. Sensei, 44 mins. Pepe. Could make some money on this, can't you? Bloody hell. Seriously, yes, I don't like swearing, but bloody hell. Bloody hell. Anyway. I wonder if I can get that on Robinhood. I'm pretty sure it won't be available on Robinhood. In fact, I know it won't be. If I type it in, will it even show? I wouldn't even thought it would show. No, I wouldn't have thought it would. They're more responsible than that. I'm not surprised. We're $1,200 now off an all-time high. And if you could buy Pepe, I would have. Right, let's have a look. I'm part of the Pepe army. Oh, yes, I am. I'm not buying it, but I'm part of the Pepe army. Here we go. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Kermit the Frog is back. Pepe, look at this pumping right now. I'm actually part of the Pepe army. I've been sharing these fun videos on Twitter and getting a bit of attention. Pepe today is exploding. What is this all about? Shall we look now on the month for Pepe? You didn't even notice it a month ago. Didn't even exist. Look, no one was bothered a month ago. But now, a week later, it pops up 1,004%. Today, it's up 79.3%. Insane, right? Kermit the Frog is taking over. In the last hour, Floki is down. And the last hour, we've seen nothing. There's Pepe right there, look, in the back of the screen, doing absolutely nothing. But today, look, Pepe, 79%. Now, this has to be said. What is going on with this right now is a huge army. I'm part of the Pepe army. I'm enjoying it. I have to say, this is not financial advice at all. But if you want to have some fun with this, making money is making money, right? If you do buy into Pepe, you will see my posts on Twitter. I am sharing my Pepe stuff on Twitter. Let me go over to my Twitter account. You can see right now, I did post earlier about Pepe. Let me scroll down. There it is. Look, if you want to take part in my Pepe post there, go and have a look at my Twitter account is at Martyn Investor. Link is below. And if I put a link above my head as well, if we just go to there, let me just give you a link above my head. There we go. Just above my head, just about there. I will give you a link to the Twitter post as well. What do you think of this? It's a meme coin. It's having an amazing run right now because a lot of people are promoting the hell out of this online. It's having a massive pump. Look at the money you can make, but just be very careful. If you decide to invest, and I'm going to use the word lightly, invest on this, consider taking profits along the journey. This could drop like a stone, but people are saying that this is the new Shiba. This is the new, I've even seen people say this is the new Bitcoin. Yep, people are saying that. And you can buy it right now. I believe it is 0.0000301 cents a coin. So yes, for about 50 quid, you can buy a billion. So go and enjoy yourself, make some money, but think of it as an extremely volatile, extremely risky, fun lottery ticket. It's probably, in fact, I would say the odds of making money on this are probably greater than the lottery by 1,000,000%. So just consider taking profits. It is being pushed all around social media. I'm playing my part. I'm sharing it on Twitter. I'm having some fun with the little frog with the red hat. In fact, if you look at me, look, I look a little bit like Pepe. I think you'll agree there. Look, I think that's got to make a thumbnail, right? That's got to. In fact, there we go. I'm going to use that as a thumbnail. Right, so there's Pepe the Frog. Go and check it out. Up today, 1,050%. Good luck. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. I'm going to just add to that with a thumbnail at the end. Let me just take away my ticker a minute. We've got 5 minutes to go before the bell goes. I am going to do a Pepe the Frog. Is that what he does? That'll be a thumbnail. Just ignore that. Ignore you saw that. I know you can't unsee that. But you know, ignore it. All right. That'll be part of the thumbnail. Just go with it. I know it's like, what the hell is he doing? What the hell is he doing? Right. Okay. You don't need to know what I'm doing. Right, 5 minutes to go, 3 minutes to go. Sensei is here. Good. Right, back to the main stocks. Let's have a quick look at what we're doing. Yeah, we're just going mad. Basically, we're just going mad. Looks just like him. I know. It's got to be. It's got to work, isn't it? Let's have a look. Ed, thank you. Sensei, the Mullen Whisperer. Yes, I am the Mullen Whisperer. If I could buy Pepe, I would have. Good morning, all. Mika Flemons. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Mika Flemons. Good morning to all of you. Good morning. It's Queen of Self Braden. They make the supply large so it makes holders feel like they have loads of coins and how much they will make of it. It's $1. I know, but remember, it's all about market cap. Yes, it is. Looks just like him. Bloody hell. Yes, indeed. All right. Hello there, Sid Arthur Barhoon. How are you? All the way from the Netherlands. Fantastic. We have members now we have members in Italy. We have members in France. We have members in the US, the UK, Korea, Turkey, Australia. We have Germany. I don't think we have a member yet in the Netherlands, but we're getting members all over the world now. We're very China. We have a member. Very, very excited. All right. Okay. Hi, Sid. Good morning. 4 minutes to go. Getting ready to ring the bell. The bell is sponsored today by of course, Sensei Crypto has sponsored our bell. You too can sponsor the bell. If you've ever wanted to ring the stock exchange bell, you can ring it live here on the show. Okay. If you've not yet checked out, we are now running on Rumble as well. Check it out. It's a lot of fun. Here is my Rumble information. I have 2 accounts. I have the music and I have the investor channel, and I'm live right now, right there. And I just thought for a moment I was about to jump up in pain. I've got a cramp just coming into my calf muscle. I think it's gone away. There we are today on Rumble. Smash the like button, and we've got 44 followers there now. Absolutely great. In just, a week? Absolutely brilliant. Awesome stuff. 3 minutes to go. Let's go through our stocks and see where we're at this morning. Let's check out all our feeds. We've had 83 through the show already this morning. Wow, that's 83. That's a good start to the morning. Here on YouTube. Excellent stuff. 7368 subscribers. That's where we're starting out today. Very nice indeed. Let's see how many are watching right now. 24 and 20 likes. I was going to say smash the like button, but everybody's liked it. Nearly everybody. How cool is that? We're having a competition today between YouTube and Rumble. So YouTube's on 24 watchers and 20 likes, and Rumble right now is on 7 watching and 3 likes. So YouTube is winning between Rumble and YouTube at the moment. All right, we've got 2 minutes to go. Very exciting. Let me go over to the breakfast bar on Discord to see all our members. We've got Stephen Lewandowski on holiday. Mike, there you go. Wishing everybody well. Thank you, Mike, for all of that. brilliant. If you want to access Discord, and you can. I've got some friend requests. I only friend my members. So if you've sent me a message, if your name is, I've got, in fact, I can't read the name out. It's not a polite word, but you know who you are. If you friend requested me on Discord, I will accept it if you are a member. Otherwise, I won't. I only accept members. That way, I'm not accepting scammers and bots, because my members will friend my members, and I'm here to protect them. Okay, here we go. We've got a minute to go. Coming up. Are you ready? We're about to ring the bell. And the bell is sponsored today. The Martyn Lucas Investor Exchange bell is sponsored today by Ali Tizro, Sensei Crypto. The markets are up, looking good, looking good. Mullen's going back down. Tilray is going back down. Tesla, we're trying to sell 2 shares of Tesla at 189 if we can. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll. Here we go. Welcome to the Martyn Lucas Investor Stock Exchange. We're about to ring the bell. Here we go. Sensei Crypto in the house. Whoopsie daisy, let me end the timer. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the bell has now gone for the morning. Let's get straight into the stocks. Brilliant. Let's see what's going on. The markets are up and running. Thank you for the sponsorship, Sensei Crypto. All right, let's see what's going on. The overall market is up 0.93. The S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up 3. Oh, look at this. Virgin Galactic 3.44. What is going on today? 3.44. We've got let's go. Look at that. We'll come back to that in a minute. We'll check the news. Mullen is rising this morning. There we go. Virgin Orbit. Rivian is pumping this morning. Tesla 189. If we can get something out of that this morning, we will. Let me go back to the poll. What did you vote? What did you vote this morning? The vote was 8 votes, and you said 75% of you said a green day today. Well, you're looking right. 85%, 75% of you said a green day today. Congratulations if that was you. Tesla looking very nice indeed. Virgin Galactic. Now then, we need to find out what is going on with Virgin Galactic. Have we got any news, any reason for that? I have got nothing coming through from me at all. Let's have a quick look. What do we have? Anything at all? Nothing there. I am seeing if we've got any Virgin Galactic news. Virgin Galactic completes glide flight. That was a while ago, though. That's not of interest to us. We know about that. We want something from today. I'm not getting anything from Twitter. I'm not getting anything from any of my sources at the moment. Let's have a quick look. Virgin Galactic. Keeping my eye. Okay, when was this out? No, that's very old news. I hate when people advertise a bit of news to be news, and in fact, it's not news at all. It's they just try and sell papers or whatever they're trying to sell. I don't like it. Okay. Okay. Okay, we've got something here. Let's have a quick look. Thank you very much, Leah, for my coffee. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. It's my morning coffee. My coffee is sponsored by Sensei as well this morning. Look at that. Look at that. You too can sponsor the show if you want to. All right. Okay, let's have a quick look at where we're going this morning. We've got, what time is it? SPCE. What is going on with Virgin Galactic this morning? Can we see any information on Virgin Galactic? That is one heck of a pump this morning. Let's have a look. Right, here we go. Thanks, Leah. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. News today. Well, there's a bit of news, not a great deal, I'll be honest with you. I'm always bringing you the truth, and that's the way this channel is. Wait to the end of the video, and I'm giving away $1,025 in value prize, $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training with one of our traders. This is phenomenal. Our biggest ever prize. Wait until the end. All right. Virgin Galactic is up 3.75 today. Looking very nice indeed. Now, we are waiting for the imminent flights. Flights could come at any time now. The information I'm getting from Virgin Galactic is a bit muted. I will tell you that right now. Let's have a quick look at some news coming out this morning. Virgin Galactic cautiously returns to flights. Now, we know a couple of days ago we had the glide flight. I don't know if you followed that. We reported on it live. The glide test was successful. That's great. However, people are getting excited now and they're getting a bit ahead of themselves because we're not quite there. However, I want to share the news. Virgin Galactic cautiously returns to flight, and they have to be cautious. If there's one mistake, one fatality, one thing, it's over, finished. They get it wrong once, it's done. Let's have a quick look of this news right now for Virgin Galactic. It's up 3.76 right now. Richard Branson delivered some inspiring words from the seat aboard Spaceship Two Unity. He unbuckled himself and started to float around. You all remember that, okay? That was some while ago. Reaching an apogee of 86 kilometers, 53 miles, the passengers enjoyed 4 minutes of weightlessness during the July 2021 flight. We all aware of that. So let's move on. Yes, despite the spectacle, weeks and months went by without an announcement about when commercial flights of the world's first space line would finally begin. Remember, and I've been reporting on this, so Richard Branson used to be and always was the face of everything to do with Virgin. He's no longer in that same way. He's getting a bit older, with all due respect, and he's not the man he used to be. We have to remember now, he's not going to be the face of it like he used to be. He's stepping back. We know that because there was no reaction from Richard Branson over Virgin Orbit, and what a disaster that was. So it's very, very important, right? Now, nearly 2 years after Branson's flight on Unity has flown again. This is the glide flight a couple of days ago. Except instead of carrying the first group of customers, it performed the sort of unpowered test flight that Virgin Galactic hasn't performed since 2017. Clearly, something didn't go to plan back then. Of course, we know what went wrong. It went off course. It got corrected. We know all about the FAA. All of that got blown out of proportion. We've got, do you remember somebody famously on Twitter was talking about the cracked wings, which I proved was ridiculous. Bad news. A lot of people will try to bring the stock down. We don't want any rubbish like that. We just want the facts. Let's scroll down and see if we can get any more information that's relevant to you right now. The company is being as tight-lipped as ever. Yes, they are. I speak to Virgin Galactic nearly every day via Twitter and other sources, and sometimes they give me a flavor of what's about to happen. But I will tell you now, nothing is coming out. Is that good or bad news? I can't really tell you, right, honestly. The reason for that is they can't afford to get it wrong. And this is a rocket company. It requires patience. And most people, sadly, don't have patience for this stock. They want to see it pop up. They're not really investing in it. They're gambling in it. Well, for me, I'm scalp trading off the top, but I'm also taking profits along the way. And you should too. It's the right thing to do. Is Virgin Galactic about to fly? Well, The news could come at any point that we could get release. There is the video you've seen many times. It's not there yet, but it could happen. Now, a number of people are sending me information in saying Justin Bieber is about to fly and God knows what else. None of that is true. None of that is true. Now, it could be true, but right now there's nothing verified for that whatsoever. So be very careful. If you're investing on people making up stories on Reddit, pay no attention to it. I will always bring you verified truth as it is. It's my real money. I'm really investing in it, and I'm not trying to pump and dump it. I am trying to see it deliver. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more and see what else we could learn from this. This has just come out. Let's go down here. The FAA cleared Virgin Galactic to resume flights shortly after, but by December, they had new problems. We know about this. Let's scroll down a bit further because I want to bring you just the important stuff. By this point, Virgin Galactic had already announced their fleet would enter into an extended maintenance period to address a possible reduction in the strength margins of certain materials. At the same time, the company said it expected this period to last until Q4 2022. I want to bring something that's important to mention. This is very important. Coming up very soon, live on our show, is in fact May the 9th. In 4 days' time, we'll be reporting on the earnings. Here is the earnings. Join us for that. If you want to be part of the earnings, we're going to be there live with it. I'm expecting something to happen by the time we get the earnings because they want to see the stock price go up. But warning to you. First of all, if you want to be there at the earnings, click up here and that will take you to the earnings. The warning is, however, they will want the stock price to go up. We've seen the Fed now topping out potentially rates. Potentially we get a pause next month in June, but rates won't be coming down for some time. Virgin Galactic will need to dilute the stock. So be aware of that. If you are investing in this now, you are holding it for the long term in one position and scalping it in another. It's very likely if we get good news on the earnings for it to go up to say something like $4.50, $5. That'll be great. People will start then getting in. They will feel there's FOMO. It will then go up to say $10 and then they will dilute the stock. They will then want to get some money out so your share price will drop again. So bear that in mind if you are investing in Virgin Galactic rather than just gambling. That is going to happen. Not maybe going to happen, is going to happen. So, are you ready for Virgin Galactic? Do you believe in the cracked wings that we saw Ross Gerber report? No, there are no cracked wings. These are the wings that are looking great. Everything is ready to rock and roll. Virgin Galactic is good to go. You just have to have a bit more patience. Okay, but remember, don't buy on FOMO. You should already be in. For me, the price entry was $3. Not now. People said, oh, you'll just buy it on the way up. No, I won't. To me, it's worth $3. It's very speculative right now. So there you go. Now, I did say if you watch to the end of the video, I would give you the chance to win a cash prize. And I'm going to give you a chance to win some extra tickets on May the... What day is it? On May the 12th. I am giving away $1,025 prize, $125 in cash, and 15 hours of one-on-one training with our training expert, Ed Nevius. If you want to win that, look above my head for the link. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway or below. And the magic word for this video to leave on this video as a comment. If you leave this comment, you'll get extra tickets, and the tickets are all available. I'm going to show you in a second. The comment to leave on this one, and I'm just literally making this up as I do it, go SPCE. I'm going to write that down. Go SPCE. I'm making this in a live video. When this video comes out, when you're watching it, the video will have an opportunity for you to comment. So here is the competition page, martynlucas.com/giveaway. And later on today, when this video goes out, the opportunity to comment on this video will be down here. These are all the tickets available. You can win with just one ticket. But the more you do, the more chances you've got to win. All right, there you go. More information is below this video. It's our biggest and best ever giveaway. Virgin Galactic up to date, looking very nice indeed. We are waiting for it. So Richard Branson is waiting for it. But just remember, it's not the rock and roll stock it used to be. Don't expect Richard Branson to be always in the limelight. He's not going to be the face of Virgin Galactic every 5 minutes. He'll be around, but it's not the stock. He's not the marketing expert he used to be. We've already seen evidence of that. And they will trim off the top, and they will dilute the stock when it goes above $10. Just bear that in mind as well. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Okay, let's get back to our comments and see where we are right now. We've got 23 watching, 24 likes on YouTube. What about Rumble? The markets are pumping today. Let's go over and take some profits. 15 watching on Rumble. We've got 44 followers. So YouTube is just winning at the moment. So let's have a look. We got 15 watching with 3 likes on Rumble. There are the likes. There are the watching, and over on YouTube, we are running a competition, 23 watching, and we have 25 likes. So YouTube is winning the battle at the moment. All right, let's check our live positions and see where we are. Let me just close down that. And Pepe now is at 1,046. If you are following our Pepe this morning, is now 1,046, going very, very nicely indeed. Okay, let's check the overall positions. Here we go. We're at 39,827, up 1.28. Roth IRA is up 1.54. Our all-time high is 54.4. So we're just under $1,000 away from an all-time high. Okay. Very nice indeed. My portfolio is very, very strong, and I'm happy with that. Let me read the comments. We've got some comments I missed. Space, let's go, said Mike. Bayos Holt, says Ed Nevis. IonQ, shot up as well. Let's go to IonQ today, up 3.23. Very nice indeed. Thank you, Sid, for reminding me. Kavana, volume crazy. CVNA, Hasbro, got in at 52 and loving it. Jason Fallon, thanks, Leah, for my coffee. Good afternoon, says Crag. Morning, Crag. Eric B. Amigos, boom, boom, boom. Alex, he's into his SPCE like me. Nothing wrong with scalping on the way up as well, Martin. Absolutely right, Crag. Nothing wrong with that at all. Tilray is coming back up again. What we're looking at today is Tesla getting to 189. That's where I need it to take some profits. Let's have a quick sip of coffee. Excellent. Now tonight, it's my music night. It's Friday night. Every Friday, I do a music concert here on YouTube and Rumble. Here is the music channel. Go and subscribe and ring the bell, and I will post the concert very shortly. There is the music live concert tonight. Let me also post it on Rumble for everybody as well. Tonight, there it is. There it is. If you want to watch me on Rumble, which probably I would imagine you would if you're over there on Rumble, here is my music channel. I'm the World Piano Man, as voted by Elton John. And I'm doing my live. There is my music channel, live concert tonight from the studio. This is the studio behind me. Let me give you a wave. All this lights up tonight. All right. Okay, all of this comes to life tonight, and you can join me for the live music concert. Steve, thanks for streaming on Rumble, Martin. 45 just followed. It's my absolute pleasure. Let me, what's your take on Rum and the upcoming earnings release? We are going to be... Yes, 45 followers. You're absolutely right now. Excellent. We are covering Rumble earnings. Do you want to see that? Of course you do. These are the upcoming earnings. Right, we are covering Lucid. We are covering Virgin Galactic. We are covering, there you go, you can see it, Robinhood. on May 10th. IonQ, May 11th, we're covering it. Rumble earnings, May the 15th, we are covering it. Arrival earnings and Walmart earnings as well. There you go. We're covering all of those earnings and more, plus all the live shows every day. Coronation party. Coronation party. Yes, let's do that for the king. Let's do that for the king. Absolutely right. And in fact, if I send you over to here just for a moment, I actually have on YouTube now, and I was the very first person in the world, it was verified, God Save the King. I sung it first. I was the first person to sing it. It was the day the Queen passed away. I sang the very first God Save the King. And I will share this with you now. Let's have a little look. Here it is. If you've not yet seen it, go and have a look. There is God Save the King. I was the first person in the world, it was verified that, to sing God Save the King. Okay, here we go. I'm going to give it to you now on Rumble as well, if you've not yet seen it. And I think I can show you on this screen here. Let's have a quick look. I will share it with you. I was the first person in the world to do this. Here we go. Here we go. You ready? Here's God Save the King.
God save our gracious King. Long live our noble King. God save the King. Send him victorious, happy and glorious, long to reign over us. God save the King.
There you go. If you'd like to make that a viral video on YouTube, that was the day the Queen died. I recorded that and sent that out to the world.
Good morning, good evening.
And I hope you'll share that with everybody. All right. Okay. Let's have a look at the markets. Let's see if everybody shares that video. Love it, Martyn. Thank you so much indeed. Please do share that. Put that on your social media. Let's do that. And tonight we will do a special coronation concert. It's going to be on my live show tonight. Hopefully you'll join me for that tonight. Okay, let's go for all our positions. The S&P, Virgin Galactic, Mullen. Let's get a Mullen update. Virgin Orbit, Rivian, Tesla. How many are with me right now? Let me just check how many are with me. We've got 30 people with me on YouTube. We've had 100 people now through the stream. Very nice indeed. Just gained another subscriber. That's very nice. How many people voted on the poll? 8 votes now, but we all know it's gone green, don't we? Tesla, we'll try and take some profits today. Lucid, Apple, up 4% today. Absolutely awesome stuff. Absolutely awesome stuff. Excellent. Will you be doing first music stream on Rumble? Yes, tonight. Yes, the very first one tonight on Rumble. I'm excited about it. Amazon, McDonald's, Coca-Cola, J&J, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Next Era Energy, End phase energy. Wish that would make a return. Bitcoin. Tilray. Robinhood. Let me go to my Roth position. Still down on it. See you all Monday. Oh, no. See you all Monday. Mum had a stroke. Heading to hospital, please. Ed Nevius. Everyone send some love. Get well to Ed's mum. Do it right now. Do it right now, everybody. Ed Nevius, his mum has just had a stroke. Oh, no. Get well. Oh, everyone do it. Get well, Ed's mum. I am terribly sorry to hear that. Everybody, copy and paste. Get well. We need to send love to Ed's mum. Every single person, send love to Ed's mum. Ed's mum has just had a stroke. We are terribly sorry to hear that. Blow up the channel, please, everybody. Oh dear. That's not what we want to hear at all. Let's take a few moments there. We're sorry to hear that. Ed Nevius' mum has just had a stroke. Everybody send some love, please. Every single person, all our members. Thank you, guys. I don't think Ed's going to see that. You'll see it later. He's probably run out the door, and as he should do. But I don't know if Ed Nevius is seeing this, but I doubt if he's seeing this now. He's still in the chat. He's still in the chat, but I doubt if he's seeing this. He's probably dropped his phone down and taken care of his mum. Get well, Ed's mum. So sorry, Ed. We're all with you. Yeah, we're sorry about that. Has that just happened this minute? So we're just taking a moment. One of our members here is having a hard time. Yes. There we go. Everyone has come in and dropped some love to you. I know Ed will want us to carry on, so we will, of course, carry on. Oh, there we go. We've got some. We've got a lovely message as well from Rumble. That's the first time Rumble has communicated to us here on YouTube. This is nice. Steve234. Wishing Ed's mum a speedy recovery. How nice is that? Over there on Rumble. How very nice is that? Steve234 has just sent some love as well. That's very nice. Very nice indeed. Hope his mum gets better. John Bennett. Thank you much indeed, John. Appreciate that. We don't want to hear anyone have trouble. So anyway, we're going to carry on with the show because Ed, of course, will want that. He's not with us now. He's obviously had to run off. So we're going to carry on, and we're looking at Mullen right now. And we want to see exactly what's going on with Mullen. And we're terribly sorry to hear that, Ed. Right, we're going to carry on with the show as Ed would wish us to do so. One hour 24. Okay. So let's quickly look at Mullen this morning. Okay. Here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor Mullen, ticker symbol MULN. Does Mullen belong in the meme stock category? Well, that's where it's being put right now by Redditors and tweeters and people that are short in the stock, sending it all the way down to zero. What do you think? Look at this. This is Mullen. It's an automotive company. Some are saying it could be the new Tesla. What do you think of this right now? And is it a buying opportunity? Let's take a quick look. Mullen today is up 3.74. It went all the way back down a few days ago after the reverse split, which was there to save the company. And the stock was destroyed. It went all the way down. Now, many people now regard this as an opportunity to buy a great company at a great price. Let's have a closer look at the news and decide whether we should buy into this. Now, I am going to give away at the end of this video a $1,025 prize as well. It's our best and biggest ever prize. Watch to the end of the video and I will tell you exactly how. Now, if you skip to the end of the video, you will miss the information that you need to win. So don't cheat, because if you do that, you will miss it out. Anyway, smash the like button and watch, because I will be dropping some information throughout the video how you can win a $1,025 prize, our biggest ever prize we've ever given away on the show, which is just next week, next Friday. Okay, so Mullen, let's go over and look at it right now. This is Mullen's website. This is the these are the cars and vans it produces. Does this look like a stock which should be cents a share? Well, let's go and read into it. We've got a bit more news this morning that's just come out. Pre-market, Mullen up 4.76. It dropped back a bit, but it's going back up again. It's up and down like a yo-yo. It's being shorted. It's a lot of action, a lot of volume on the stock. It's basically replaced the GameStop saga. That's getting all the attention all over social media. Mullen has gained Friday morning with the stock increasing 4.76 in pre-market, trading to 154. It's at 152 as I make this video right now. Mullen's short-term technical score of 5 indicates that the stock has traded less bullishly over the last month than 95% of stocks on the market. In the auto manufacturers industry, which ranks 119 out of 146 industries, the stock ranks higher than 7% of stocks. Mullen Automotive has fallen 44.11% over the past month, closing to 268 on April the 7th. During this period of time, the stock fell as low as 160 and as high as 299. Now then, it's very, very early days for Mullen. This is a stock, if it does well, one of my investors who I rely on says this is a $30 to $40 stock in the next 2 years. It is 2 years. It's a bit of time to wait. So do you accumulate along the journey and buy it at these prices or what? What do you think? Mullen Automotive has a long-term technical rank of 0. This means that trading over the last 200 trading days has placed the company in the lower half of stocks with 100% of the market scoring higher. Doesn't sound good, does it? Everyone and his dog have been dumping this stock, shorting the stock, driving it down. Mullen ranks better than 103% of stocks. In the auto manufacturers industry, which is number 103 by this metric, Mullen ranks better than 103% of stocks. Mullen is set to release earnings on May the 9th. Now, we are going to cover it. This is very, very important. If we go over to my position now, you will see it's starting to move again. We are covering Mullen. If you go here to my homepage of my channel, Mullen, in fact, I tell a lie, it's not on my screen right now. It reports, let me just check that again. What was the day it reported? I do apologize. I'm making this during a live video. May the 9th. May the 9th. May the 9th. Is that pre-market or after-market? I'll edit that out of the video when I make it. Let me just check. Is Mullen pre-market? Because can I cover it? Pre-market. Oh, hang on. Expected. They're saying May 15th, earnings on May the 9th, pre-market. They're saying May the 9th, pre-market. That's a bit confusing. May 9th. Okay, I will cover it. I will cover it if that's the case. I will cover it if that's the case. All right, so we'll edit that bit out. Join me live on May the 9th and I will cover the earnings. We'll cover it live. Should be a very interesting evening. So join us on May the 9th for the earnings. So what do you think? Is this a stock worth buying right now? I would like your thoughts and comments below and I will reply to everyone's comments. Is Mullen now oversold? Has it been overshorted? What do you think? Or is it driving it down just so those very same people can jump back in again? So join us for that. Now, I did say, if you watch to the end of the video, I'm giving away a $1,025 value prize, and I am. It's our best ever giveaway. It's martynlucas.com/giveaway. If you click above my head, that will take you to the competition page, or look below in the description of this video. This is the competition page. This is what it looks like, and this is where you can win free tickets. All you've got to do is go to this page and turn the opportunities into ticks. And every day you can come back and earn more ticks. Remember, you can win this by one ticket alone if you want to. But the more tickets you get, the more chance you will have of winning. We're going to give away $125 in cash and 15 hours of one-on-one training. Now, we're going to give you extra tickets if you leave this comment. And this is why I said watch all the way to the end and don't skip it. So for the Mullen video, this video you're watching right now is Mullen to the moon. I don't like using that phrase, but I think in this case, I think I will. Mullen to the moon. I'm going to write that down now so I don't forget. Mullen to the moon. So if you watch this video all the way through and leave this comment, you will be in our draw for extra tickets to win the star prize. So Mullen is going up today. Are you in? If you do join me on Twitter, click above my head. I am actually sharing these videos on Twitter. And if you share the videos and the links, we can go viral on Twitter and get the word out about Mullen. I'm buying it. I own it already. I'm not buying any more right now. I'm holding my position. But I'm sharing my positions, sharing my Mullen videos on @Martyn Investor on Twitter. The link's below and above my head. Go and check that out and repost those links, and let's get Mullen to where it belongs. It certainly doesn't belong where it is right now. Remember, we've just had a reverse split as well, so in reality, it's a couple of cents a share. It's ridiculous. I'm not saying it's Tesla right now, of course not, but it certainly is worth more than it is today. It's being oversold and overshorted, and it's now Mullen's time to shine. Good luck if you are investing in Mullen. Share the video, get involved, and I will follow you and join you on the journey. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay. Okay. Let's get back to the show. See all the comments. I don't see any more comments coming in just yet. How many people are with me? We've had 118 through the stream. 23 are in the show live right now. That's a bit low. What's going on there? 24, 27 like. We're very quiet today. I have no idea what's going on there. Let me see. Do we have more people on Rumble today? Let me have a quick look. 11 on Rumble today. Sorry if you've covered it before. I've only just seen your channel. Are there any good funds companies with all the ESG stance in the US? Sorry, I'm just reading a comment here on Rumble. It says, sorry if you've covered it before. I've only just found your channel. Are there any good funds companies with anti-ESG stance? To be honest, I don't have any experience or knowledge on that subject at all. So STE, I'm not going to make up stuff. I don't know. Midnight Oil. Hi, Martin. How are you doing? You know, you could sponsor my channel if you are a business, Midnight Oil, and we could promote you on the show. Anyway, thank you for joining me. 7 likes now, 11 watching. My gosh, we're nearly as high as we are on YouTube. What's going on? All right, is Tilray a buy? Is Tilray a buy? Well, yes, it most certainly is a buy. I'm holding my position. I see it going to $40. I actually hold 4.73%. I've 230 shares on my Roth IRA and 243 shares on my brokerage position. I have quite a big position percentage-wise of my portfolio. Yes, indeed. Right. It's time to do day trader of the day, and then we're going to end the show. We have to get set for tonight's event. It's going to be a big event tonight on my show. We're doing a coronation concert tonight. If you've not yet signed up for my music channel, I will give you the link right now. Here's the music channel. There it is. And I'm going to give the music channel to everybody on Rumble if you want to join me over there tonight. It's a special King coronation concert live tonight. Hopefully you'll join me for that. But we're now going to do Day Trader of the Day competition. This is where we see who is up the most today. All right. I am $900 away from an all-time high at the moment. I captured Walmart's dividend and sold stock for a profit. Very nice indeed, says Eric B. Okay. Very quiet today. Why are we so quiet on YouTube today? Just 21 watching. That's one of our quietest ever days. And it's a green day. I'm surprised. Okay, let me post my score and put a minute on the clock. I am up. Make sure that you're up to date by clicking the live button, 1.37%. There you go, up 1.37%. When the first person starts posting, I will give you a minute and then I'll be out of here. I'll be back for the closing bell and the concert tonight. Virgin Galactic. Here come the scores. Okay, 1 minute on the clock. I am up 1.37. Sid from the Netherlands is up 1.27. Let's see any more scores. Who is going to win today? The overall portfolio is looking good. Just a few seconds to go. Let's see who wins today. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Time is now up. I was up 1.37. Sid was up 1.27. Into the lead goes Fight Channel Barbie Doll, up 1.87. And Eric B's up 0.96. Missed STH. Countdown for what? This is the day trader of the day. Who made the most money? And it is Fight Channel. So congratulations to you. Thank you for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up. And as always, here come the sound effects. Congratulations to you. Absolutely awesome stuff. That's the end of today's show. We are back later on for our music concert. We're going to be on Rumble and YouTube tonight for our Kings concert. If you don't know, I'm voted the World Piano Man, and it's a live concert tonight. The link is in the chat. Do join me. But it's now time to get out of here. Thank you so much indeed for being here. Let's roll the credits. And let's get ready for the closing bell this afternoon. Then the music concert tonight. We're always live. We're always here up to 10 hours a day. Have we got any credits today? Nothing to celebrate. We had no super chats today. No new members. Nothing to talk about. So I will take the credits off the screen. Nothing to celebrate today. Boo! Not good. Okay. No, nothing at all. Okay. Come on, Barbie. Congratulations, Fight Channel. Yes, indeed. Nice one. Very, very nice indeed. Right, that's it from me. We are done. We've had a good day today. We're up 1.34 on my main account, 1.56 on my Roth IRA. We're up $53,459. So we're just $900 away from an all-time high. That's it from me. I want to thank everybody on TikTok who joined me, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter. Today, it looks like we've got 7 likes on, and can't believe it. I think Rumble is beating YouTube today. We've got 19 watching on YouTube. Let me just show you on the screen. Look, 19 on YouTube and 27 likes. There it is. And on Rumble is winning. We have 19 watching and we have 7 likes. So it's the same number of watchers, but less likes. So there you go. Very, very interesting today. A lot of growth. That I've only been on Rumble now for a few days. So that's the end of the show. Hope you enjoyed it. It's been quite a ride. But that's it from me. I'll see you back later on for the closing bell. And I'll answer your questions. JP Rothschild has just popped in. But unfortunately, we've run out of time. It just leaves me to say, as always, see you back tonight for the closing bell and the concert on my music channel. Links in the profile. It's a King's Coronation tonight. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your money. Take care of yourselves. Got that wrong then. And each other. Bye-bye for now. See you later.